Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the left corner of the footwell. Pull the panel that makes up the ceiling of the footwell down to release the tabs and then pull outwards to remove it. Remove the side panel. Remove the filter housing door by pulling the base tab down and then the filter housing door out to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1232 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the side panel. Reinstall the footwell ceiling by aligning the vent system with their openings. Press to lock the tabs into their catch. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.